The 2023 Nissan X-Trail will go on sale later this year. This was officially announced by representatives of the automaker. The presentation of the new generation Nissan X-Trail was held back in 2020 in the USA. An updated design in a modern style was demonstrated, which was changed for the first time in 9 years. At the same time, the crossover appeared in American car dealerships, becoming available to motorists. It took almost 2 years for the Nissan X-Trail to cross the ocean, and the manufacturer finally promised that it would go on sale by the end of 2022. Recall that the configuration of the updated version of the X-Trail is aimed at making driving as safe, comfortable and not boring as possible. Leisure on the Way was given special attention, equipping the crossover with Nissan entertainment technology, a premium audio system and a projection display. So passengers on the way will have no time to be bored. Of course, the driver was also taken care of. The new X-Trail was equipped with an autonomous Nissan Propilot driver assistance system. It includes cruise control, as well as crossover electronics will monitor highway traffic safety, control acceleration and braking. Nissan said that the crossover has full or front-wheel drive, depending on the configuration, is equipped with a descent control system and has 5 speeds. No information was given about the engine of the updated version. There are various rumors about the price of the new Nissan X-Trail, but the final amount has not been named. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.